Hi folks, Chris Voss here from thechrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. This is from lucidaudio.com. It's the Kids Hearmuffs. It's advanced hearing and ear protection for kids with a unique kid-approved features. Won the 2018 Family Choice Awards. Kids from 5 to 10 can enjoy their favorite movies and games by easy plugging into a media source. And with such a button, can easily have conversations with your child without removing the earmuffs, and your child's hearing is still protected. So how about them apples? With kids' hearing protection, damaging sounds in surprising places, city streets, concerts, parties, even crowded restaurants. You can comfort and protect your child with audiologist-approved kid earmuffs, which come with an industry-leading 22 noise reduction rating. So there you go. And it's made with kid-friendly materials. It's designed in the USA by Parents That Care, and it's non-toxic, child-safe materials. Comes in 4 fashionable colors: pastel blue, spa green, pastel pink, and white. It's got maximum comfort and protection, so you can take and utilize it that way. And the headband has got smooth foam and fits a wide range of children's heads and ears, with advanced protection from loud and harmful noises, including traffic, concerts, construction, and city noise. Pretty cool, and a nice little headphones. They're fairly inexpensive too, so if your kid ends up destroying these, they should do pretty well, not costing you a fortune to replace. Anyway, go to lucidaudio.com, and probably a good idea to keep your kids' hearing well as it develops. And tell them Chris Voss saying it. Check out the Lucid Audio Kids Hearmuffs. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.